Alright, so this is the recumbent frame upside down. This is where the seat attaches to the wheelchair. Typically this would be the bottom, attached to the bottom of the frame. This would be the top where the seat mesh would bolt to. What I've done is I've made these two little tabs on both sides, and there's a bolt that goes through this that allows this wheelchair to fold up. And I'm going to weld those on both sides there, and I'm just going to capture it. And then where these touch the front pieces, I'm going to make two little cradles that kind of hold these in place. I'll just weld them to this so that they don't move. But that'll capture that, and then I will cut those off. So this will be the seat. And it'll be aluminum, which will be lightweight. It's going to be pretty good, I think. Alright, so I've got these pieces welded in. I got the ends cut off as you saw. I've got this laying flat. Now, this piece, which was the seat, will now bolt on right here like this. And that'll be where you put your bottom. Now I've got to do a little bit more figuring on how I'm going to attach the back. I'm thinking I'm going to do something real similar to this where I can attach the back of the wheelchair to this. So, it's kind of coming together. One more step complete.